The Inner Harbor Navigation Canal Lock has been invaluable to the United States economy since 1923. The lock is intricately woven into the infrastructure of the city of New Orleans, from key transportation arteries to flood risk management structures. It connects the Mississippi River to the Gulf Intracoastal Waterway, two of the busiest waterways in the nation. Without this canal and its lock, critical cargo shipments would be delayed by at least 17 days to their destinations. The lock allows boats, ships, other vessels, and barges, assisted by a tow, to pass between the Gulf Intracoastal Waterway and the Mississippi River. Vessels enter the lock, and the water level is raised or lowered to match the water level on the opposite side. Congress is investing in the modernization of the Inner Harbor Navigation Canal. The existing lock, which is a century old, does not meet the needs of a modern navigation industry and requires significant maintenance. In 1998, 2008, and 2016, the lock had to be dewatered for major maintenance, this last time for 115 days. The current lock is too small for the traffic moving along the Gulf Intracoastal Waterway. The new, larger lock chamber will meet the needs of the modern navigation industry while also being shallower, thus reducing the amount of material needing to be dredged. The St. Claude Bridge and the adjacent flood risk management structures will be replaced as part of the lock construction project. The result will be a more modern, efficient, shallow draft structure that functions more seamlessly as part of the community and economy. The new infrastructure will also include mobility accommodations for pedestrians, bicyclists, and future transit operations.
Unique provisions of the authorizing legislation set the stage for this Community Opportunities Plan of Action. To address impacts the project would have on the 4 neighborhoods adjacent to it: Bywater, Holy Cross, the Lower Ninth Ward, and St. Claude. Along with actions to minimize the impact of the large construction project, the Corps is developing a plan to help remedy broader, long-standing quality of life challenges faced in these neighborhoods, and by providing for targeted improvements such as job training, parks, cultural preservation, and others. The Corps is working closely with community stewards, businesses, and residents in the 4 neighborhoods to better understand their needs to help shape these special quality of life investments. Now is the time to get maximum benefit from the modernization of the Inner Harbor Navigation Canal. We encourage your consistent, honest, and productive input.